Mahal kita.
Lakas mo.
Mahal kita.
Yun.
Yung buong buhay kong bibigay sa'yo. Ito na yung kayang gawin lahat. Pero sa tulong ng Panginoon, magagawa natin. Maging baby natin soon. O protektahan natin dalawa. Hindi kita pababayaan. Hanggang kamakaya na.
Yo. Parang nabasa ko yun sa dyaryo kanina.
You're my one and only. So come with me.
I love you and I promise to always ask the grace of God to always respond in love to you, even if it's hard sometimes. But I'll just pray and always pray.
When the winter comes, I'll keep you warm.
Lord, I pray for my dear brother John and Sina. Make this day your glorious day. The day that you have made. We will just relax and rejoice, for you will do what is proper and pleasing in your sight. Pag sinabing covenant, for life. Kaya nga meron tayong marriage vow eh. Ha? For plenty, in plenty or in want, ha? In health or in sickness. Ano pa nakalagay doon? For better or for worse, till death do us part. Ang talagang essence na marriage is a relationship that will last for life.
Our love isn't evergreen. Our love grows deeper. Our roots run wild. And
To always be in the position of praying for us, even ayun na, pag may toyo ka, suka, wala naman ako ibang magagawa kundi mag-pray kay Lord. And I always see how God responds, speaking in our prayer. So, ayun lang, may the grace of God, I think, ayun, to always respond in love is the best way to conquer everything.
when the winter comes,
I just sense in my spirit kasi talaga that, I was really made na to support him. Kasi for what he's been through a lot.
carry you through our springtime love.
Like, siyang pinagpe-pray. Tapos, may the Lord protect the plans and purpose mo continually. Saka yung dreams ni Lord, yung mangyari sa kanya. Kasi ang dami niyang dreams. So, yung dreams ni Lord, yung mangyari. Nag-meet kami sa JHMT. It was Youth Prophetic Institute. Isa siya sa mga participant. Tapos isa ako sa speaker. So, hindi ko siya pinapansin kasi hindi naman talaga ako namamansin ng mga participants. Parang,
It's been a while since we felt the way we did back when we
ayun na. Tapos, moving forward, may mga anniversary yung JHMT. So, nandun din naman siya. And then, yun, hindi ko pa rin siya napapansin nun eh. Tapos, merong Yusana, pang Yusana presentation, yung isang associate, invite siya. Wala kang i-assist. Then, ayun, nung inupuan ko na sila, I listen to her full story. Doon ako na-attract sa story na yung testimony niya.
my love, I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again.
So, wala pong nakakausap. So, parang kami ng dalawa hanggang dandaan yun na kagustuhan po kami. Ano na, at niligawan ko po siya.
Over again, again.
Maganda, mabait, medyo siya yung mahinhin, yung daw siya magsalita, nakakasa.
Mabait siya sa generous. Mahilig kasi ako sa kape, so doon niya ako nakuha. Pinirik niya ako ng coffee, kahit hindi pala siya nagkakape. Ayun pala, isa dito na gustuhan ko sa kanya, medyo malakas yung loob niya. Sabi ko, malakas naman ang loob nitong i-text sa ganyan. Tapos nag-message niya siya ng pa-cute din. And then, ayun, nag-start na ako mag-pray.
No one, my love. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
Yun, mahal na mahal kita. I-raise natin yung family natin na maging mabuti. May takot kay Lord. Isisip, ito na to. Kunti na lang, ilang oras na lang. At magiging asawa na din kita. At mamahalin kita habang buhay.
I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again.
To love you unconditionally with Jesus, though it's hard, but by the grace of God, I will always choose to respond in love. Come with me.
Again.